This is the PWM Frequency Period Interactive Calculator, which handles the essential conversions between frequency, period, duty cycle, and voltage parameters for pulse width modulation signals. The calculator offers 6 calculation modes through a drop-down menu. Calculate period from frequency. Calculate frequency from period. Calculate pulse width from duty cycle. Calculate duty cycle from pulse width. Calculate average voltage from duty cycle, and calculate all timing parameters. For this demonstration, I'm using calculate period from frequency mode. The input fields include frequency in hertz, period in milliseconds, duty cycle as a percentage from 0 to 100, pulse width in milliseconds, and peak voltage in volts. Let's work through an example. I'll enter a frequency of 10 hertz, period of 10 milliseconds, duty cycle of 10%, pulse width of 10 milliseconds, and peak voltage of 10 volts. After clicking Calculate PWM Parameters, the results show the period is 100 milliseconds, which equals 100,000 microseconds. This makes sense because a 10 Hz signal has a period of 1/10 of a second, or 100 milliseconds. Perfect for quickly verifying your PWM timing calculations. Find the link in the description below.